So it's just me out here today. I came out late last night to stay over so I could get up early and work. My goal today is I have some caulking to do on the front of the house towards the water, and then some painting that never got done, so we'll actually be able to finally see what the cabin looks like painted. And I have those two little doghouse doors. They don't shut, so I have to take them off and reset them. So those are the main goals today. I'm gonna get a fire going, and then I'm gonna head out, get coffee, and get a couple supplies from the hardware store. Okay, got a few things from the hardware store, got some coffee, just made it back. Still got my fire going. I didn't bring a sweatshirt, which is insane. I brought a long sleeve, but I don't want to paint in it because I am going to be painting today. I don't want to ruin it. It's kind of getting kind of windy and it's kind of chilly. So I'm going to get set up upstairs on the deck and get to work. So I finished caulking all the stuff that needed to be done, and now I'm gonna start painting. So I'm gonna come downstairs really quick and just kind of show you how the front of this cabin's been looking for a while since it was sprayed. We never got around to doing the fascia. So you can see we've never really had, you know, the fascia or the trim around the windows painted. So it'll be cool to finally see what it actually looks like finished. I'm gonna hop up and start there where I left off and do the top fascia, all the trim, and it's gonna be looking sharp. I'm excited. So I finished my caulking and painting, just the first coat really, because I'll need to do a second coat. But as you can see, it's all done. So the rain's kind of coming. Hard to tell what's really gonna happen weather-wise, but I think now I'm gonna switch gears and get those two doors up there set so that they open and close properly because they're all screwed up. And I'm just gonna hack away at that, see what I can get done, and then just keep on rolling. I got my fire still going over there. See, it's still smoking. I've just been adding to it every time I take a break. Use the bathroom, get some food, get a drink. I throw some stuff on there just because I got burn pile over here just stuff. That all needs to be graded eventually, so I'm just grabbing what I can and burning it as I go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna get those doors done. So as you can see, things up there. And you can see the reveal. It's tight there. I think it's huge. So I don't know exactly what happened, but when I set these doors, they worked. They were perfect. So, but then the siding went on, so they must have got adjusted. The other one over there, same way. I got that one door done, the rain's here, so I've just been kind of looking around, making sure there's no, we had a roof leak a long time ago, and so I've just been kind of checking out the metal roof in the corners, making sure water's flowing properly, and it is, so that's good. But I'm going to take lunch, finish that other door, and then we'll just kind of see where we're at. I don't know, not too gung-ho. But I do want to get some work done, so we'll see. I'm making these breakfast taquito things, so hopefully they're decent. I'm wet, kind of soggy.
It's a sunny morning off Caulk Island, just a few waves. The calm waters sparkle. The sweet ocean breeze rustles the seaboats and the rolling dunes and the thick maritime forests. White waves crash on the sandy beaches of this beautiful and uninhabited strip of land that stretches for 9 miles. On the inner side of the island, the pirate ship Adventure, captained by the notorious Edmund Thatch, anchors.
Okay, lunch is over. Get that second door done. I don't want to be home too late for the family. Everybody else is at home, so I want to get home with enough time to like hang out, talk, and watch a movie or something.